What's up, YouTube? So what I have for you today, I'm gonna be working on is it's like a 90, I believe. Yeah, DVX 90. Got it for free, you know, easy, cheap. Everything's here so far, you know, of what I need. But here you go, let's take a look. So here it is, a little quad. You know, already took everything out. I don't think you guys really care about what I took out, blah, 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 how I did it. So I got this one for free. All cracked and beat up. I kind of drilled some holes, put some zip ties, keep it together. And then up here was real bad. It was all cut up, torn up. But I'm not going to take the handlebars off and put them back on so you guys can see the body on there. That's a little bit of what I've done to that so far. But I got the engine out. And I guess the transmission or whatever, jack shaft, whatever you want to call it. Well, that's it right here. I'm gonna see what I can do about getting this one running. This is the motor and everything out of Frankie. So it doesn't, there's something wrong with it. There's like a hard spot, and I'm not trying to get this little shit running. I don't know if you can see the lines right there. Already made some lines, some cut lines. Some of them are all kind of like crooked and stuff, but I know where I gotta cut. I'm gonna try and cut that off so I could still use this, you know, but just get rid of the motor. So just got it on jack stands. I don't got a good work table out here. All right, I got it cut in half, kind of even with the clutch. If you can see a straight line across there, something like right about there, I don't know, whatever. I try to cut up the rough edges, so, you know, that's just for now. I probably got to clean up a little bit more right here just in case the motor's too big. But I left these for like, what's it called, structural integrity, you know? Because there's only going to be 2 mounts up here, and then this is about where it's sat about right here. Because if you can see that black line in the brake hose, that's right where that hole sat, like right there. See that? Oh, so it's about where it needs to be, but there's no motor mount or transmission mount for the bottom. So let's see over here. There's a little hole right there. You see that? And it's right above that circle cross member tube. So I'm gonna make a bracket, weld it off of this, put a bolt through it, and that's gonna be the 3rd mount. And the chain already goes on, I know it works, so, but that's all right. Whoops, a daisy. Like I got a case for this, right? There we go.
Hey Dad, I'll be your filmer.
There, see it spinning? There we go. All right. When I get more parts, I'll shoot the next portion. No motor yet. Got to put the motor mount in here. Saving these for the motor mount just in case. Didn't cut them off or anything yet. Just left everything basically for now.